The Oase Vitronic clarifier can be mounted directly on an Oase filter or on any other suitable mounting surface. For filter mounting, unscrew the cover cap, place a flat seal on each of the threaded outlets, and guide the threaded outlets through the two holes in the wall of the filter. Reaching inside the filter, screw the inlet nozzles with O-ring seals onto the outlets and hand tighten. When mounting the Vitronic to a surface other than an Oase filter, remove the head unit and sleeve assembly first. Then use screws to attach the unit to a suitable mounting surface, carefully tightening the screws to avoid damaging the unit. After mounting the Vitronic, replace the unit head and connect the unit with hoses rated for at least 14.5 psi. For maximum water flow, use tubing that fits the largest diameter segment on the included stepped adapter, cutting the smaller segments off with a hacksaw. Slide a hose clamp over the tubing, push the tubing over the adapter, and secure with the hose clamp. And that's everything you need to know to install the Vitronic 9, 18, or 36 volt UVC clarifier. Next up, maintenance for the Vitronic 9, 18, 36. Don't forget to like and follow us on social media. Check out our website for more in-depth information on this and all our products. See you in the next video.